Hello, my name is Mackenzie Boyd, and this is my final project for EDU 333. So we're going to go over my tour of my website that I created, and it is for a third grade reading classroom. So right here, we're on the home page, and it goes a little bit over the goals that I want the kids to go for the year. Some goals would be being able to code text that is unfamiliar and make connections to the text. So we're going to go back up to the toolbar, and we're going to hit About. So we're going to go down. It's going to tell a little bit about me just to give some students information. I grew up with two older brothers, Michael and Austin, and three dogs, Sparky, Lucy, and Bo. I danced for 16 years of my life, and I still continue to dance. I was a majorette all through high school, and I am working on my early education from California University of Pennsylvania, and I plan to further my degree to get my certificate in a reading specialist. So a little bit more about my teaching style. I like to get to know the students before I set a teaching style. I like to know their sports, their hobbies, and what they like. So I am able to see, and that's how I teach them. So we're going to go back up, and we're going to learn about a little bit of my tools. I'm going to go through a couple of them. The first one's a Powtoon, and the Powtoon is an animation presentation tool and allows the lesson to be taught in a fun, interactive way. So here's an example of mine, and I focused on how you should adopt a dog and how the benefits can help you. My next tool is a Kahoot. And I know a lot of the kids know what a Kahoot is, but this is a different form. And a Kahoot is a game-based learning tool. It provides a tool that allows teachers to create quizzes and have students play an educational quiz. So right here, it's just a quiz that I have for students, asking a little bit about them. They have siblings, do they have dogs, what kind, what's their name, a little bit like that. My next tool is a QR code. And many of you see these, but probably don't know what they are. So this is what a QR code is. And a QR code is usually a black and white coded square that is connected to a URL or other site. And all you have to do is put your smartphone to it, and it'll take you right to that URL instead of you having to type it all. My next tool is Google Forms. And Google Forms is a part of the Google Online app. Google Forms is an online tool used to create a survey. Here you are able to create questions along with adding pictures. So here is my Google form. It's just a little survey, as you can see. My next tool would be a narrated PowerPoint. And a narrated PowerPoint is literally a PowerPoint that you narrate over. A narrated PowerPoint is a PowerPoint that has narration over it. It goes side by side, and the creator will have their voice over to read the slide. So right here is an example of a book that I read, and I used it as my example, going over 3 main points since it is a reading classroom. And the last one would be an infographic. And an infographic is just a graphic visual representation of information, data, or anything you would like to add. And here's a little bit example. I use 3D printing in the classroom because we are in a classroom setting and kids do love to 3D print. So we're going to go back up. Those are my tools that I use. We'll go back to the contact section. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name's here, my email's there, and my direct phone number is there if you would ever need to know me. And the last section is the ISTE standards. And right here, it goes over just what I feel these 7 things are, in my opinion. The learner, leader, citizen, collaborator, designer, facilitator, and analyst. It's all in my opinion right here. Well, thank you for watching my tour, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.